Look cute.
It ain't even cold outside. Now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see it goes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. So in today's video I'll be doing a room makeover, Christmassy kind of makeover. So I'm gonna be starting right now to clean up my room and all. So let us get into the video. But now, before I clean anything, I didn't make my bed this morning, but anyways, before we clean anything up there, like windows or anything, I want to organize. So we are gonna organize here that I put up. Plus this is like all my school stuff that I don't want to get lost and stuff, so I just leave it there. Plus this one shelf needs to be organized, so that's the aim for today. Can you guys tell me why all of this is like this? I have no idea, but anyways, these are still the same. It's just that whenever I buy something, I have my bathroom and my room, well, my bathroom makeover stuff in here, so that needs to go. Bathroom. Bathroom. And then I have pretty much forced all my pillows in. Pillows. My teddy bears in there because I don't have anywhere to put them, like in the nights and so on, so your girl just leave them where they are. So that's what I have so far. My issues with these bags, is it? I need one, all of them in one, but not now gonna work. Let's see. Them so it looks much neater, because these are the bags I usually use, these three right here. So that one, the work bag not really using right now, so the less I have to move the bag is the less I have to fix those back. Zimmy guys, it's not looking bad, it's not looking bad. Mommy just gave me the idea, so we're gonna work with her idea because it looking neat and it looked like it would hold. And it's the sock season, you know. Sock season is like Christmas and summertime. Yeah, no wear socks in the summer. But what I want to do, I want to separate like my going out socks from my, you know, indoor sock. But that's not gonna work, you know. because I don't have nowhere else to put them except in here, so that not gonna work out. That's all. Them here now. So this is it, people. This is it. So I'm just gonna put this like in the closet somewhere. So until I make up my bed and stuff for the Christmas, these are gonna stay right here. And the bathroom stuff as well, because I'm not ready to fix my bathroom. So these are gonna go in the bathroom. To be dreaming about a love like me. Oh, I say go. Nope. A love like this. Alright, people. So now remember what I did tell us. Say, yeah, that part here and the one up here that need to fix plus my dresser and over there. So over here, so it's fixed. Woohoo! So yes, this are fixed.
Clothes and sale, milk care, Smarties. Come and buy your church clothes, your work clothes. We don't need them anymore. Come and buy. Come.
What you say now? I got church now? Right?
No, I got church. I got school.
Yeah, I'm make up my bed. Shanique, your bed needs to be made. My bed make up off. I'll pull up again. Anyways, yes.
Alright, so.
Look at the vlog, girl.
Alright.
Alright, guys. So this is the thing I was telling y'all about. So this plus the board goes on top of it. I'm thinking that my books can be arranged on this, so I'm gonna be doing that like right now. To put this here, so this would be where my books would go, and these creams, because I pre-buy them, can go under it like that. Won't trouble it no time. This is what this area looks like right now. Just imagine it without this and that. This is for my cherry. I won't show you guys what's in there. That is some things that have some school papers in it, so I don't want to move that yet. But the table here plus the mat and the fan is what would be there, plus what is underneath. So that's what my little corner here looks like, neat and put together. So I just need to figure out here and clear off here, clean my window, clean my mirror and clean my window, and then I'll be done. Alright guys, so this is what I came up with in the end for my dresser. So I have, basically I will be giving you guys like a tour or whatever in the end. So now I have this part to be done. These like some of these things will be going to the bathroom, because this is like Lysol hand sanitizers and baby oil. Like, I'm gonna be using this in my bathroom as well. It's a scented candle and shaving cream that needs to throw away because this is not good anymore. So that goes in the bin. These, I'm not even sure where I'm putting these yet because this is like a mosquito repellent thing. I don't know if it works anyways, but yeah. This is what I'm dreading. It's a this era right here. So this is my hair stuff. There's nothing there. This, I'm hair stuff. I don't know what I got my feet because right now I'm stressed. Anyways, we are gonna tackle it, or I might go on bed, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna just fix up what's going on in the room first, and then we gonna go on hand. Hi guys, so it is December 10th and we're continuing our cleaning. So this is all we have left to do. I'm gonna eat Lay's and I didn't eat Sam. So my sister gave me this, right? Because she bought, I think she bought an extra one and so I can have it. So my main issue is right here. So here I'm come back from eating this and then holler back at y'all. Alright guys, so it's much later than the rest of the videos. So I was going to put this like into the whenever I'm doing the makeover and like whenever I'm decorating, but then I thought about it and looked at the footages and it's so long and I don't have a video for tomorrow, so I decided to edit this one. So yeah, so today's video was actually done from about the 9th and the 10th and so on. Oh yes, so this is the bookcase and all. This is what I came up with. Let me show you guys what I came up with. I will give you guys a tour of it when I'm doing like the final room makeover and whatever. I'll show you guys everything, but today's video is just supposed to entail the cleaning up of the room. So this is the deep clean of my room and all of that. So this is where I'm gonna end off this video. Today's subscriber shout out goes to, I'm not sure if I can pronounce this, Sharaya Akins. It will be right here. Thank you so much for commenting and subscribing to my channel. It means a lot. And then today's motivational comment comes from Sassy Shan and it says, embrace your natural beauty. Thank you so much for commenting. And just want to say guys, thank you for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, whichever end it is on, not sure. Click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Give this video a big thumbs up, comment something down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.